Mastering your Nikon D850 means unlocking its full potential. And today, we're diving into the power of Live View for instant, accurate adjustments. To begin, locate and press the LV button, situated just to the left of the rear LCD screen. This activates Live View mode. You'll now see the scene in real time on your LCD. Notice how changes to your camera settings directly impact this live preview. Let's experiment with exposure. Rotate the main command dial to adjust exposure compensation. As you increase or decrease it, watch the image on the screen brighten or darken, showing you the exact effect before you take the shot. Now, let's tackle white balance. Press the I button to access the quick settings menu. Navigate to the white balance option. Use the rear command dial to cycle through different white balance presets like daylight, cloudy, or tungsten. Observe how the colors in your Live View image shift to accurately represent the lighting conditions. This real-time feedback extends to other crucial settings. Adjust your aperture using the command dial and see the depth of field change instantly on the screen. Similarly, modifying your shutter speed will show you how motion blur or freezing action is rendered live. For pinpoint accuracy, utilize the focus area selection to choose your subject. Then, use the multi-selector to move this focus point and manually focus precisely where you want it. The magnified view, accessed by pressing the center of the multi-selector, is invaluable for critical sharpness. By leveraging Live View on your Nikon D850, you gain a powerful visual tool for making confident, precise adjustments, ensuring every shot is exactly as you envision it.